Okay, so thank you first of all for watching this video. What I'm going to be showing you guys is how easy it is to create your own STL files from images with this Maker World Keychain tool. Okay, so a lot of times I get requests from people to make very simple like words or objects that are flat, and that can be done on your own, and I'm about to teach you how to do that. So if you take a look at the screen that I'm on here, we are at Maker World's website called Maker Lab. So there are a lot of powerful tools in here. I use image to 3D on occasion. It's one of the tools that I like. But in this case, we're going to be using image to keychain. Okay, so let's click on that. And in this case, a gentleman asked me to do something for him, and he sent me his logo. So I'm going to show you guys how to turn that logo into an easy STL. So we're going to do create from blank, and then we're going to browse and just find the image you want. For me, it's in my screenshots. It's this one. Okay. So now we see this logo. It's going to look at it for a second and trying to find the hard edges. You can change the perimeter. You can change anything you want. You can get rid of the background. That will, okay, so if we do this, it'll not show any of that other stuff, just the words. But for the sake of ease, let's just do this. Let's do all of that. You can change the colors a little bit here by changing this saturation, brightness, or whatever. But for the sake of time, let's just use this. So let's confirm. So what it'll do is it'll ask you how many colors you want to use. So in this case, I only want 4 colors. So it's going to look at it and says, okay, does this look right? And it says, yeah, it looks pretty good. So we'll hit confirm. Do you want 4 colors, 8 colors, or 12? I'm going to stick with 4, hit confirm. Okay, now we have this. The easier way to look at it is on this bed. So now what it's given us is this. This is a printable STL. What I'll do real quick is just make sure all the colors match. So it's just 3 colors total. So now all you need is 1, 2, 3 colors, right? And then mess with the plate and thickness. These are all just tools that you'll have to learn as you go, but they're very easy. You want to change the thickness, change that to 3. I don't know, it's thicker. You want to go face down mode, so it's printed down instead of up. You can do that. You can add attachments. You can add hooks and holes to make it a keychain. As you can see here, it added a hook immediately. The hole is pretty handy because you can put it anywhere and turn it into a keychain, right? Yeah. And then stroke, it adds a perimeter around it. In this case, we don't need that. And then you can change the image thickness. Again, let's go like 4. I don't know. If you want to change this color, you can make that different, right? So it's just something you got to play with. Each project is going to be different. So we have all that. We're going to do this mode. That's fine. And then we're going to download the 3MF. And this takes a second, so bear with me. So here it is, right? Here's what we created. If you need to change the bed, I don't have an A1, I have a P1S. So I would do this. And I use a smooth plate, and you can just print it. No problem, right? There it is. So it's that easy just to get the logo. But again, now if you want to manipulate it, what you can do is go here into objects. And the objects list is by color. So let's say, for instance, I wanted to get rid of all of the white and just show you, or just use the words. So all you have to do is go in here, click, and then we'll delete that. So that deletes the main base. And then we'll scroll down to the rest of the white. Again, you can see all the different colors. Click there, and then we'll shift click and do delete. Okay. And that gets rid of everything. So now, again, if you really wanted to get technical and get it down into something, again, inside the image that you wanted, if I just wanted this guy, again, I could go in here and pull out all these black things and all the words. It would take a minute, but you could do it. Okay. So again, next time your company logo or your team logo or your something your friend wants you to make, if it's flat and you just need to make an STL, this is a free tool that Maker World offers that's super easy and super fun to use. And I encourage you to use it. The universe is always conspiring in your favor. Let me know if you need any help.